Let's talk about the EGS Guide Sleeve.
You know, with overgrip collets, because they expand so much, there's quite a gap between the different fingers of the collet. And there's risk of the part falling down between those fingers, and when it goes to clamp, it can break the collet if there's a part there blocking keeping it from being able to close. The EGS, or ejection guide sleeve, is just a little brass, plastic, or stainless steel piece that threads into the back of the collet. And basically you just drill a hole through this little piece, a little larger than the diameter of the part. So that way, when the collet opens up, the part just doesn't fall down. It's actually being supported by the EGS. So when you go to eject the part with air or high pressure coolant or ejector or whatever, it clears the collet so it doesn't fall down in between the fingers. That's the main purpose of the EGS. Although there are many other purposes for an EGS. It even can be used as a stop, all right? A support, if you're supporting a part.
We have customers that will chuck on slotted parts,
yes,
and they use the EGS to support the inside of the part. They use it as a solid support inside. And the neat thing about the EGS is we have many different styles and lengths available, all again from stock. That's the key to our system. It's standardized. We try to solve a wide variety of work holding issues with standard solutions, so you can customize your collet using standard modifications. That way you have your solution in 2 days instead of waiting for 6 weeks or whatever.